Number 21, we are dealing with our 6/8 yet again. For a refresher, our 6/8 is a time signature. And so how do time signatures work? So for 4/4, we have the fourth on top, the four on the bottom. And so this is telling us how many beats we have per measure. We have 4. And then this is telling us which one gets the beat. So it's the quarter note that gets the beat. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so for 3/4, we have 3 beats per measure and the quarter note still getting the beat. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And so then I'm using my scrap paper here because goodness knows I have plenty of it. In 6/8, how many do we have? That's our top number. We have 6 of them. And which note gets the beat is our 8th note. So this is what our 8th note looks when they're tied like this. This is a compound, or I'm sorry, a complex duple. And so we will get to that in just a second. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's what our 8th note looks like separated. But when it's like this, with the bar on top, we're used to seeing it for 4/4, where we're used to having only 2 or 4 in a row, but now we can have 3, kind of like a triplet. And so that's the way that complex duple feels, of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where we have to subdivide on our own. So in my head, I'm just saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will continue on for our quarter notes and our 8th notes. Our quarter note, we should know, gets 2 8th notes inside of a quarter note. So we're going to feel 2 beats inside of that. 1, 2, 3. So da, 3, da, 3, da, 3, da, 6. I should say 6, but there's a whole lot going on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, just to keep it easy. So then we have our dotted quarter notes that will get 3 beats each. So da, da, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, da, 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 da. So I'd say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, da, 3, da, 6, da, da, the whole time. So that's what's happening in my head, and that's what number 21 has underneath of it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, rest, 4, 5, 6. C, 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 rest. D, 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 rest. E, 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 C, 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 C. So first, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to have that as our beat. C, 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 C. And so we have these down, downs, and up, ups. 1, 2, 3 on our G string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, D. 6. Again, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Good. Now let's switch it over to that complex duple where we have just that big 1 and 2 beat, and we're going to say it in between 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to slow that down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm doing that in my head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that, okay? So let's do it twice, just like that. This is at 55 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, repeat 2, 3. Keep subdividing and you will do wonders.